Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to clean your solar panels on your roof. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and get white distilled vinegar, and you're going to mix that with tap water. So you want to do that in 8 parts to 1, 8 parts of water to 1 part of vinegar. So a 1-gallon jug is enough for my 13 400-watt panels. So obviously you're going to adjust it to however many panels you have on your roof. So once you get that together, you also want to get distilled water because no minerals. I'll explain that more a little bit later. And then go ahead and get on your roof, bring your hose up there, your tools, your scrubber, and of course the water and the vinegar mixture. So go ahead and spray your panels down. You just want to use regular water, no pressure. So no pressure water, no pressure washer, because pressure can damage the glass on the panels. And same thing with the sun too. So you don't want to do this in direct sunlight. So the sun was behind me. And same thing, heat expands glass and that can crack the panels, which is not good. So go ahead and just wash the panels off first. Take your water vinegar mixture and go ahead and dump that on the panels. And it's the acid in the vinegar that's going to help with breaking up dirt. So it'll make it easier for you to get the dirt off once you scrub. So go ahead and start top to bottom because gravity. And once you've done that, then go ahead and get your soft bristle brush and go ahead and scrub the panels down. Again, be careful, make sure that the brush is clean before you start, because if you have stuff on there that you're dragging around the panels, you can scratch the panels that way as well. So go ahead and clean every panel off. Make sure you get the bottom part of the panel because that's where dust and dirt kind of built up because, again, gravity. So go ahead and scrub that. Work each one of your panels. Make sure they're clean. So go ahead and get all the bird poop off. That was kind of the main reason I wanted to clean my panels, because there was a bunch of bird poop on them. So once you've cleaned the panels, then go ahead and take your hose again, wash the panels off, so that way you can get all the loose dirt off the panels. And then basically the last thing after you've washed these off is you want to use the distilled water. And so the reason why you want to use distilled water and not just tap water is because tap water has minerals in it. So basically when the panels dry, if you use tap water, it's going to leave streaks. The minerals are going to be left behind. So using distilled water, there are no minerals in it, so it'll clean the panels off, and the panels will be nice and clean with no minerals left over. So you'll have a nice clean panel that can absorb lots of sun. So once you do that, that's it. That's how you clean your panels. Do it for all your panels, and that's it. So hope this helped you.